Hey everyone, this is Beatrice from Art Obsession Oz. Today I'm creating a 3D resin bloom. This is going to be a little bit different. And I thought I'd just share with you what I normally do, step by step. So I'm mixing my white using 4 drops of white pigment paste. That's 1 drop per 10 grams of resin. So the resin is warmed to 35 degrees and then I pour it into the mold. It's a really warm day, so I've got to really keep an eye on the resin. I normally don't mix my white first, but I just needed to keep an eye on it that it didn't get too hot. So you can see the stick through the white, and that's very important. Just popping in a few little bubbles. So once the base is ready, I'll add the alcohol ink and let them begin their movement. Because you've got to give the alcohol ink at least a minute to 2 to do its thing. As you know, alcohol inks love to dance. So that's a teal. Now this mold that I'm using is from Pouring Your Heart Out from Julie. And I just wanted to give it a go on something I had in my mind. Let's see how we go. So now I'm putting the pink into the teal, so it blends nicely and gives it that sort of like a purpley shade. And I'm using an indigo, which I absolutely love. It's a beautiful blue. And then a rose pink, which doesn't really have a lot of color in it because the minute you put it in, it fades very quickly. But it's a pretty, very pretty color. And I put some more teal in the middle. So everything you see is happening in real time. So I'm going to let you sit back, relax, and just enjoy the process. And I'll see you for the unmolding. Thank you for watching. Watch to the end to see how it turns out. Love you guys. So we are back for the unmolding. It's still a little bit soft, but I decided to unmold it anyway because I'm impatient. And look at that. That is so beautiful. I wasn't 100% sure about the little dots I put in the circle, but the more I looked at it, I thought, oh, it's quite pretty. Actually, quite nice. The colors didn't overwhelm the bloom, and I was going to make it into a bowl anyway, so I think it was gorgeous. I did put a gold rim around it, which you'll see in the images coming up. So I'm just showing you the dots, where I put those dots in the middle of the bloom. But overall it came out absolutely beautiful. So thank you very much for watching. Ciao.